We were just cruising when we found a girl on the ground, and it looked like she fell.
Gaat goed? Gaat goed? Ben je gevallen?
Ja.
Wil je mama? Waar is je mama? Weet je waar je woont?
Ik woon daar zo achter.
Achterin.
We were trying to see if she knew where she lived and get her dad or mom to help her.
Jak to jí spadla? Ej. Je na pohodě? Je na pohodě? Jak makáš?
I couldn't just drive past her and let her sit there in pain.
A ty dostaneš, jo, věděj. Věděj. Tak jdem po toho, jdem. Vrať kolou. V pohodě? Yes? Tak jele, já. Jdem,